got you a job, we could have trained him.
Because I feel like it's very important to exercise our voting rights, and I always wanted my daughter to know the importance of it, so we vote in every election. Yeah, she taught me so. Yeah, you know, want to have my voice heard one way or another. So.
I think you're being paged in.
The pretty girls got me distracted.
Well, I choose to vote in every election. I think it's important to get involved at the local level, especially that's where major decisions are often made. And I think it has the greatest impact when we support our local candidates and get out and actually support the efforts, because that's when we can get the most done.
Any races in particular that were of interest to you?
Actually, they all were. I mean, it was nice to see a lot of people get involved. I mean, they were all of interest to me, actually.
Peter! Jimmy, this is going to get real difficult, Pete.